Hello guys, welcome back. If your Oral-B electric toothbrush keeps switching on by itself without you touching it, it can feel strange and even worrying. You might notice it starting suddenly while sitting idle or even when it's kept in the bathroom. This usually happens because the power button area becomes sensitive due to moisture, toothpaste residue, or slight internal pressure on the switch. Since this toothbrush is used in a wet environment every day, water can slowly affect how the button behaves. In some cases, the button may not fully return to its normal position, which makes the toothbrush start on its own. This issue is mostly related to cleaning and simple checks, not a major breakdown. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix an Oral-B electric toothbrush that keeps turning itself on. Try these. 1. Turn off the Oral-B electric toothbrush and keep it away from water. 2. Clean the power button area of the Oral-B electric toothbrush to remove residue. 3. Press the button of the Oral-B electric toothbrush a few times to check smooth movement. 4. Dry the Oral-B electric toothbrush completely, especially around the button. 5. Restart the Oral-B electric toothbrush after drying it properly. Number 6. Test the Oral-B electric toothbrush to confirm it no longer turns on by itself.